Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again, and I'm here with a pretty interesting unboxing of a device that actually was sent to me as a part of another project I'm working on. But I figured I haven't ever reviewed this phone on the channel, so I might as well do it. This is my unboxing of the OnePlus 9 5G. As you know, guys, never been a huge fan of OnePlus recently, but you know what? They do make some pretty great phones in the past, and of course, this phone itself is the regular 9 version, and I did review the 9 Pro last year as well. So let's just in one take here, take a look at which was the OnePlus that was sent to me. I can't share full details of that other project right now, but stay tuned because it's going to be very special. There it is, the OnePlus 9 5G in this really nice, surprisingly nice purple color variant. It's got the plastic edge, which, I think got a lot of criticism from a lot of people out there, myself included, in this phone. But honestly, this color, the moment I took it out of the box, was very popular with my wife and my daughter. They really love this color. Hasselblad branding on the back. And ultimately, folks, this OnePlus 9, in my opinion, was kind of one of the weaker spots of OnePlus's release last year because it just didn't really hit the mark that people were hoping for. I think the OnePlus Nord 2 did a much better job of that. But, all things considered, it's still a nice phone. And I guess if you are talking about the phones released this year, it's actually kind of enhancing because the phone releases this year have been so boring. Let's face it, they haven't been very inspiring. That a phone like this, once it gets on discount, a OnePlus 9 5G, it might be one worth considering to pick up. Now, of course, if you're in US markets, this will be probably in all the carrier stores already. If you're in Asia, you're probably getting discounts on this phone already. Just want to double check which is the actual version of the phone. Let's have a look. There it is, OnePlus 9, ColorOS version 11.2 with 8 gigs of RAM in the Snapdragon 888, and you'll need a lot of power for this phone to be able to run what I'm going to be sharing with you guys in a couple days. All things considered, appreciate you guys for sending out this OnePlus 9 5G, and also great to be able to share this phone with you guys as well. I do think there are probably better options on the market, like the Xiaomi Mi 11. I would consider still probably a better option than this phone. I would consider a number of options from Oppo and others now that the S22 is out. But this Snapdragon 888 series of phones, the price is going down on them. They're plenty powerful, and honestly, for this color and for this look, it's actually one of the nicer color variants of this OnePlus 9 5G that you can get. But anyways, guys, just a quick take here, first look and unboxing of the OnePlus 9 5G. I'm not going to waste any time showing you what's inside the box. To be honest, you probably know already. You're going to have the charging cable and you're going to have the charging brick. And that's pretty much it, folks. Just a quick unboxing. Of course, the real deal is what is inside this phone that's going to help power this awesome new product that I'm testing out. Stay tuned for my full coverage of this product from the guys at NReal. It is a mind-blowing experience. I can't wait to share my full review of that product. So that's it for this one. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell icon for future updates. Thanks for watching, folks. And this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one. Now, how about that? You send a phone to test with your product. I wish every single collab was like this. Oh yeah.